Welcome to a home that radiates Southern grace and charm, a tranquil retreat on expansive grounds where the rhythm of your life slows down. With 8 sprawling acres, a 7,700 square foot main home, a 3,600 square foot party barn, expansive covered patios, and a luxurious gunite pool with a waterfall spa, every aspect exudes charming luxury. From elegant gatherings in the party barn to tranquil days by the pool, this is more than a home. It's your Southern dream brought to life. This is 111 Deerfield Court. Living in the country can sound dreamy, but the realities of long drives for groceries and school runs can take the shine off. Not to worry. Just 3 miles away, historic downtown Franklin awaits with live music, charming boutiques, and some of Nashville's best local restaurants. Plus, top-notch schools are practically on your doorstep. It's the best of both worlds right here. As we pull through the gated entrance, the elegance of the home comes into full view. The graceful white brick facade is complemented by the cedar-shaped roof, and the expansive double porch is beautifully framed with brass lanterns. The entry greets us in classic Southern fashion with a winding staircase and warm receiving area. Once inside, we're immediately drawn into the living space, flanked by walls of black-framed Sierra Pacific windows. The details here are subtle and full of luxurious thoughtfulness. With a modern take on shiplap-lined walls, a handsome stone fireplace, and a Control4 system with surround sound both inside and out. The double French doors invite us out onto the deep covered porch, with a twin stone fireplace and peaceful views of the fenced pastures beyond. Built for modern entertaining, the porch wraps past the grilling area to this handsome black marble bar, fully equipped with an integrated Thermador refrigerator, dual freezer drawers, ice machine, Fisher & Paykel dishwasher drawer, and black resin farm sink. And that integrated refrigerator I mentioned is beautifully hidden right here. The kitchen is a beautiful contrast with white marble countertops and island, natural wood cabinetry, and brushed gold fixtures. The integrated Bosch dishwasher, 60-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator, 60-inch Wolf cooktop with double ovens, and separate Wolf steam oven make sure your Southern fare can be whipped up with modern convenience. Round the corner to find a tucked-away prep and pantry space with plentiful cabinetry and butler's pantry. The additional farm sink and built-in double laundry area rounds out your back of house. The butler's pantry gracefully connects to the dining room, where the modern shiplap extends to meet the dual black French doors and stone fireplace, framing the space with contemporary elegance. Here is where your lively dinner parties come to life and blend seamlessly with the deep blue gunite pool, rock-lined spa, and towering oak trees, creating an enchanting ambiance. When work calls, this handsome office lies just beyond the dining room and is lined with ebony built-ins and tucked away with convenient access to the front porch. The primary suite welcomes us with a stunning panorama showcased by 3 tall black-framed windows. The ceiling is accented with graceful barrel-shaped millwork, adding a touch of sophistication to this spacious room, which includes a cozy sitting area. Of course, the primary suite includes a lavish marble-lined bathroom, complete with dual 8-foot vanities, with a marble-encased steam shower boasting 9 invigorating shower heads. Indulgence awaits at every turn. And on the other side, this exquisite showroom closet featuring discreet hanging space, a central island adorned with spacious drawers, and glass-encased cabinetry to elegantly display your favorite bags, shoes, and accessories. Winding up the front staircase, we find two expansive bedroom suites. The first encased in handsome millwork with built-in bookshelves, sitting area, polished marble-lined bathroom with double vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. The second suite also features an expansive bedroom space, sitting area, walk-in closet, and marble-lined bath, but adds a private study area and lounge. Both suites beautifully connect to the second level covered porch and provide northwest views out the front of the house. Take the stairs from the living room to discover the secluded guest apartment. This sunlit sanctuary offers a second living area, dining space, workspace, 2 bedrooms, and a full bath. Ideal for an in-law suite, nanny quarters, home gym, or homeschooling hub. And now let's delve into what truly sets this property apart: the sprawling 8 acres of rolling, fully fenced pasture. The Pebble Drive meanders through groves of mature trees, passing by the chicken coop and fenced, irrigated raised bed garden, and leads you to the impressive 3,600 square foot party barn. Inside the charcoal exterior, we find this ballroom-sized space flooded with natural light, showcasing the soaring ceilings adorned with wood beams and dual-tiered chandeliers. Here, the possibilities are endless, whether you're hosting grand galas, filling the space with games and family entertainment, showcasing your luxury car collection, or transforming it into a dramatic theater room with blackout drapes. The space is yours to customize, complete with a fully equipped kitchen and 3 additional bedrooms. The options are truly limitless. Capturing Southern charm at its finest, this home seamlessly marries farmhouse allure with modern luxuries. Whether craving serenity or seeking a space for lively gatherings, this residence calls out to be cherished and enjoyed. Thank you for joining us. To experience this captivating house firsthand, contact us for an exclusive tour. Until next time.